Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary. The core purpose of a summary is to capture the essence of a longer piece, distilling complex information into an easily digestible format. Emphasize brevity and clarity, as a good summary helps in understanding and retaining key points. It should present the main ideas without unnecessary detail, making the content accessible and concise for the reader. Before you even start writing, preparation is absolutely key for an effective summary. Begin by reading the original material thoroughly, perhaps 2 or 3 times, to fully comprehend its central message. Next, actively engage with the text by highlighting or making notes on the most important points. This initial step helps you filter out less relevant information, setting a strong foundation for your concise summary. When drafting your summary, start with a clear topic sentence that introduces the original work and its central theme. Then, synthesize your key points into smooth, flowing sentences, ensuring logical transitions between ideas. Remember to use your own vocabulary and sentence structures, rather than simply rearranging the original author's words. Aim for about 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the original text. Finally, it is crucial to review and refine your summary for maximum effectiveness. Read it aloud to catch any awkward phrasing or grammatical errors that might detract from clarity. Compare it against the original text to confirm accuracy and completeness of the main ideas. Ensure you have removed any personal opinions and that the summary is concise, typically around 25 to 30% of the original length.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.